This Easter weekend, I joined the people of Kenya to welcome top WRC Safari Rally drivers to Naivasha in the Great Rift Valley, an incomparable, beautiful destination in magical Kenya, the first home of humankind. We are honored to host the world's toughest motor rallying contest, a captivating showpiece where human ingenuity and endurance, breathtaking rugged terrain, and the epitome of automotive engineering excellence are stretched to the limit in the epic struggle that is the WRC Safari Rally. I take this opportunity to assure every participant that every measure has been taken by relevant government agencies to ensure that the Safari Rally is safe and secure. Welcome home and enjoy the Easter magic of WRC Safari Rally.